Welcome back to Living Out Here, guys. Today we're going to be back on the barn to shop project. These walls we're going to start tearing out. So why don't you guys come along with me and we'll see how far we get on this project. I did some investigating. It looks like there's nails holding this all together. So it's not going to be as easy as screws. Get all this wood out of the way. Get all this crap out of the way. Okay. Now, I need to go get a hammer. I'm back. We've got a cat's paw. I don't know what this is. Nail puller, whatever. Trusty old hammer. Let's just hit this a little bit and see what it does. Well, that's not doing what I thought it would. Let's see if the nail puller will get in there and loosen up these nails. We're going to try to save as much of this wood as we can. Why? Because we're cheap. Is now down. It's not connected to anything. That's a good feeling. Look how much open space I have over here. I can do all kinds of fun activities. So, yeah. If you can't tell by the reaction here, I thought it was going to come down on top of me. Yes, I'm trying to figure out how exactly I want this to work, and I'm just looking at it, seeing what I can come up with. Two of them are down now. What, 1, 2, 3, 4? 3 or 4 sections left. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 sections left. Whoever's bright idea it was to use nails on all these, like that, and there, and up there. They need to be hurt. It should just be screws. It's not a house. Doesn't have to be per code with penny nails or whatever else the framing industry uses. And now we have 4 down. Or no, I can't count. That's 3. And 2 more to go back there. We ran out of time, so we're on vacation now. I'll catch you guys when I get back.